SOFI update here on the 15th. Another day of manipulation on the stock. Company still doing great. We get an analyst that's 8,000 out of 8,300. He was originally, I think, at an $8 price target. In the last 2 weeks, he's gone from $5 to $2.50. Just a complete clown show. Just unbelievable, really. But it's another opportunity to add more shares if you haven't already added. This is a great time to add. I don't think that we're going to see that much more downside from here at all, unless there's like Armageddon and the stock market crashes completely. We're trading below book value, and we have student loans about to resume. I think that this is kind of a last-ditch effort to get out people and for them to add to their holdings before we see a run up here into August. So I still think August is very, very likely here at $8. And as far as the chart goes, this scenario, if you watched the video yesterday, I have this as an expanded flat, and so I drew the parallel line. I cloned this one right here, and then I put it right here. And this pattern is still valid if this is a B wave. So this could still be like this. And if that happens, we could go all the way up here and then pull back and then make our final move up into earnings in August. So that's still possible. That's the bullish move that I'd be looking for. And again, today we created another gap at 492. So we had 492 to the downside. Now we have 492 to the upside. 20% down in 3 days. It's pretty unbelievable. But 492 is where I'd be looking for a gap fill. And if this is not valid right here, then I took this and put it below right here. And you can see I have also parallel lines from here to show that this intersects around $4.10. So if we decide to go ahead and finish this move off in the next couple of days, then it's probably not actually even going to come down here all the way. It's probably going to go down here to 428, 430. And then similar to back here, let me zoom out a little bit. So similar to this, it would probably end up being something like this. Because this right here, you can see that's the same length. This is A, this is B, this would be the same length. So if this plays out, then that means we are in a fourth wave right here. And you can kind of see that would be the third wave overall. So this would be, whole thing would end up being like that. And then that would be the bottom of the D wave. So that's the bearish possibility for this. And then the bullish, obviously what I showed, A, B, and then we probably would either get a C wave down here, or this is the beginning of, well, this could actually end up being the whole A wave right here. This could be the A wave right here, pull back to B right here, and then C wave higher into August. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I don't have any bias really either way. I think that could go either way. I'm kind of waiting on the overall market. The overall market's been sitting in the same range for it's been like a month now, just sitting in the same range. So I think at this point, technical analysis is kind of overrated. It could go either way. So we're just waiting to see what the overall market does. We have the debt ceiling stuff. A lot of stuff going on right now. So for me to make a prediction and know exactly what it's going to do is pretty tough. And so I'm just watching. But those are the three possibilities I see. Again, it would be A, B, C like that. Or we're looking at this as that. Those are the two bearish. And the bullish one, it would be that, and then a 5-wave move up here into August. So that's pretty much all there is to say today. Another manipulative day, but just keep on adding. I don't think it's going anywhere lower than 410. That's the lowest I see from the intersection of these parallel lines. And on the upside, I think there's a potential that we could go all the way up to 650 soon. Maybe 630 for this to complete, because it expanded flat right here. We could head all the way up here to the 1.23 fib at 590, or potentially all the way up here to 647, which is the 1.61 fib. So we'll see what happens. I'll do another update tomorrow and just see which possibility to narrow it down more as we see what's going to happen. There should be a pretty big move. We are oversold here. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Debt ceiling talks are, they're finishing on June 1st. So could be pretty volatile here in the next couple of weeks. I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think in the comments. And make sure you like and subscribe for more updates. Right now, it's pretty much daily, but sometimes it's weekly. Just kind of depends on what the stock's doing. So anyway, have a good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow.